Check it. What you talk about? What you mean? What you talk about? What you mean?
Wagwan fam, to complete this look, you're gonna need a bristle brush. You're also gonna need an edge brush, some hair ties or scrunchies. You're gonna need the leave-in conditioner of your choice, a gel, and an edge controller of your choice also. Let's go. I'm starting off on combed out hair. I'm gonna be using Black Jamaican Castor Oil Moisture and Curling Hair Sorbet by OK to moisturize my hair. Make sure your hair is moisturized because you don't want to manipulate dry hair. That causes breakage. Like, make sure it's moisturized. Now I have my hair in the temporary bun and I'm using the Extreme Wet Line Gel. Wave check, wave check, wave check. I'm going over my hair with the brush because you don't want no bumps, you don't want no knots, you don't want nothing, sis. You want that bad boy to be sleek. Like, you want a slick ponytail. Also, you want to make sure that your ponytail is positioned more to the front than the middle, and obviously not the back. Hair pick, use it, but I didn't at the moment, so I used my comb, you know, improvise a little to pick my hair to get that little fluff. Speaking of improvising, I couldn't even find my scrunchies or my hair tie. Y'all know that struggle. But I had to use an elastic band, and just make sure if you're using it, make sure that you put oil on it because you don't want to touch your hair when you're taking it out. You want to make sure that you put it at the base of your ponytail, close to the base, or in the middle of your ponytail, just like this. Basically, this serves as the foundation for your top knot bun so that it could stand. So to make that bun, you want to take a piece of the hair from the bottom and wrap it around at the base of your ponytail. Just go ahead and play with the bun until you get the look that you're going for. So take your edge brush or your toothbrush or whatever you have, and now you're gonna also use your edge controller to brush away those flyaways and to do your edges. Also, I'm using edge booster. It's time to do those edges, what y'all been waiting for. I'd always take them down because I want to see what I'm working with or what I want to work with. Swoop, swoop,
Whoop.
So since you guys got the memo, I'm gonna speed this video up really fast because now that I'm looking back at it, I did take a lot of time on my edges.
Bye.
Bro, best believe I'm not dancing to any music. Like, this is just me seeing results and I'm happy. This is the final look, but because I'm extra, I'm going with the bubbles to make it cute or whatever. So now I'm tying it down and I'm gonna get back to y'all in the next 20 minutes or so. This is the final result. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like down below, subscribe, and ring the ding that bell so every time I post you'll be notified. Make kitchen clean. Big up yourself.
Knockout. You win.